Hi everyone, this is Star with Rihanna Star. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic How are the doors opening for you? This is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the sun, and this is pile B, which is the star. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who pick pile A, which is the sun right here, I think the spotlight is going to be on you when you stumble upon this reading. Possibly, because of the sun's energy, you could also be someone who is full of optimism. But there's also the tendency to overthink things. Maybe you could also be having a short fuse, you could overreact to situations. I think you need to keep these things in mind. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile is the Page of Wands. I think this card is asking you to unearth the real purpose of your life. You want clarity. I think the sun is shining down on you. It is making things clearer for you. Possibly for some of you, it's also the chance to rectify past mistakes. This energy is such that you could be quite restless. I think you're coming across as someone who's quite brave and courageous, even different. Your creativity will also be in full swing. Definitely you're going to be appreciated and admired. Like I said, you're somebody who is going to be in the spotlight. Communication is also going to increase at this time. Maybe because of the sun's energy, you're also going to overwhelm others. The key here is to be accommodating rather than be authoritative. Pile A, I'm also picking up that there could be strange dreams with respect to your life which you need to pay attention. Maybe this is also a harbinger of your past life. The next card in this reading is Compassion. Like I said, you could be quite authoritative as a personality. It's your way or the highway. So this card is asking you to look at things from other people's perspective. You need to show more compassion. Maybe your strong judgments and expectations could mean that you are unable to connect with others. You have to have an open heart. I think you need to practice extending unconditional love to show more compassion and care towards your fellow beings. Deep down, you're an empathetic soul. Maybe you're wearing that outside exterior, that facade, making a difference. Whatever it may be, you're somebody who is going to make a difference in other people's lives. Perhaps you're not even aware that your kindness or your empathetic nature is having a bearing on others. Sometimes one small action can have the greatest impact. Perhaps you're smiling at someone or you're being open-handed and generous towards others. Surely you're somebody who is making a difference in the life of others. Your purpose is also to bring divine light and healing to the world around you. I think through your positive intentions, you're going to help others. Your spiritual gifts are also going to be heightened at this time. This card could also imply that you are somebody who's a healer, who's quite gifted. Like the radiant sun, you are going to help others focus on the light, to focus on the positives. I think unless you go or dig deeper, understand the mysteries of the universe or the way the universe works, I think you will not be able to uncover the truth. Like I said, you desire perspective and clarity, and this card is going to herald the same. Your inner child also needs to be healed because we have this card, inner child. Some of you may have felt neglected as a child, or your needs may not have been met. I think you should embrace your emotions, take steps to fill the gap, work on your relationship with your parents. You can heal the hurt that you have faced by extending your light and love to others or being compassionate. Some decisions also need to be made. Possibly, you should look at decisions that you have made with another perspective. You could change your mind about a previous decision. I think you could also be someone who is struggling with the repercussions. Perhaps you're worrying what other people may think. The key is to learn from your former decisions and actions so that in future you'll be better prepared. Maybe some of you also walking away from a relationship, or you could also be regretting a work-related decision. From Lenormand, we have this card, burial mound or tomb. Like I said, certain things need to be done away with. Maybe a relationship is something which you need to distance yourself from. This relationship could be something that you have outgrown. This card is also talking about being a caregiver. Maybe somebody around you is unwell, or there could be some kind of separation or parting in a relationship that you need to accept. There could be messages from the underworld as well, because we have the crow which is flying here. This change is essential for your soul's evolution and ascension. You cannot ignore the changes or the transformation that is going on in your life, especially at the time when you go through this reading. I hope, Pale, you liked your reading. This is Star with Rihanna Star. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. If you pick Palby, which is the star right here, these are your messages. We will understand how the doors are opening for you, or how is the future going to be. Like I said, this is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, the messages are just for you. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the Ten of Swords. This is definitely going to be a testing time for you. Possibly, you're weighed down on account of excess work. Your responsibility is also going to increase. Pile B, you have to be ready for the challenges. Maybe these are life lessons that you're learning, because this is going to help you for your future ahead. You have to be alert, you have to be vigilant, you have to take everything with a pinch of salt. Maybe there are some people who are going to distrust you, or there's mistrust in a relationship. You may feel let down, or you may feel that there's a lot of backstabbing and rivalry that you have to counter. But these are challenges which are going to prepare you, like I said. This card is also talking about change here. Maybe you're going to be that wise owl. You're going to observe things from a distance, and you're going to retaliate when you need to. Like I said, you need to be prepared for these changes which are going to come into your life. The dark days can become a thing of the past if you're prepared to learn these life lessons. Change is always constant, it's not permanent, and you have to sail with the changes rather than create obstruction or barriers. If you are going to be someone who clings to the past, then this could create disharmony. It will not serve you anything. Rather, it's best to let go of the past for your highest good. I think you are free to choose how best you want to handle this change. You have to proceed softly. Everything cannot be rosy, but these thorns are necessary for your evolution. You have to move forward slowly but gently. When you go slow, new perceptions will blossom on your path. Maybe you have overlooked them in the past because you were rushing headlong, or if you were hasty. Besides, power is born when you relax. You don't always have to rush. You have to bide your time. You have to be patient. Your family is also going to be of utmost importance to you. You have disregarded the voice of your elders. You have to pay attention to the family members. Your life purpose or whatever work you are doing could also involve your family members. Some of you could also join the family business. Basically, this card is also asking you to work on your relationship with your family members or your loved ones. You should not let ego come in the way. Rather, you should let bygones be bygones. For you to progress in life, you need to keep aside your ego. Some of you could be quite dignified and self-confident, but then ego could also affect your relationships, even with your loved ones. Like I said, this card family did talk about the same. I think you need to nourish yourself, you need to nourish the relationships that are there rather than let pride come in the way. Besides, pride goes before a fall. From Lenormand, we have this card Bear, which talks about your financial needs. I think you're somebody who could be a control freak as well, or perhaps you're working with someone who is quite controlling and overbearing. It's time also to work on anger management related issues. This power struggle can be something which could affect your relationships. Maybe this person wants to take charge in life and possibly even in a relationship. Nevertheless, I think Pile B, you have the strength and the fortitude to withstand any obstacles that comes in your way. This could even represent you. You should be open to the viewpoint of your family members or your loved ones. You should take responsibility. I think you're also somebody who wants to hoard things because the bear keeps food for the winter season when it hibernates. It has its stockpile. The last card in this reading is Body Changes. At the time of this reading also, you need to focus on the changes that the body is undergoing so that you can influence it in a healthy direction. Maybe you should be mindful of what you're putting into your body or what you're eating. Even mentally, you need to work on yourself, be more optimistic. Focus on a new exercise program. Join that yoga class if you want to, as this will benefit you greatly. All in all, Pile B, change is definitely in the offing for you. Accept and understand that everything is a part and parcel of life. I hope Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.